Let's get started with a quick analysis on few pairs that it's an opportunity for you to understand how to conduct top bottom analysis and try to learn also the price action with confidence. Again, as we discussed in the previous lectures, you need to have that chemistry between your monthly, weekly, day. Monthly is not active too much as far as it's only the first week of the month, that's where it matters. But then again, weekly, daily analysis as far as the trading plan is concerned. Nasdaq, I think you've got a great bearish opportunity, the third selling opportunity on this. We had the selling opportunity there, selling opportunities there, selling opportunities there. And why you've got the selling opportunities, I explained the reasons. If I apply the Fibonacci's on it, clearly you can see. So I will be trading this pair now, 78.6, looks pretty good. Again, that's a daily trading plan within the weekly stroke monthly. And price is at a low high formation as well. And again, remember, a low high forms at 61.8, 78.6, 88.6 are the ideal low high formations that you will always be interested in. So it's a good trading opportunity, in my opinion. Once the price breaks this, gives you the first low high formation, look for the selling opportunities on this pair. Yes, it's a good trading opportunity. I've already shared analysis on Euro Yen. I've shared analysis on USD Yen and US 30. Make sure you guys are watching those analyses. Just give me a sec. I'd like to discuss gold first. It's a difficult analysis. That's why I would like to discuss gold first. So let's start with the gold first. That's where the gold is. Monthly chart, that's what your monthly chart is. Again, monthly charts doesn't matter much at the moment. The reason is you're pretty much in the third week of the month, but that's where you are. At some stage, I am expecting this actually. First of all, that's what my expectation is. Hence, I am in the long term bearish on dollar. That's what my analysis is. Let's start it from the weekly perspective. Weekly, it's a mixed price action. You have had the huge shooting star formation. Then you had these wicks formation candlesticks, and this trend line had been respecting. So it's a pretty mixed price action. I'm pretty neutral on it at the moment. But let me give you the approach which you should be using to trade this, and I will explain you out of these two approaches which I'm favored most. First of all, based on this price action, yes, the price is in a bearish market structure, bearish variation. Price remains below this level, which is this line I've marked here in front of you. Below this line, and this trend line is respected. Yes, I am expected the price to go down. Again, guys, that's what my expectation is. That's one of the weekly levels, the next weekly levels, 1240. Now, wait, do not sell in this zone, guys. Neither buy in this. Let the price break. It's a difficult analysis. The way I'm explaining, if you focus on this, you'll definitely get a trade on it. I'm trading this pair this week. If the price breaks this trend line confluence, which has been respected previously, and this level will become as a retest low high formation, take this opportunity and take advantage of it. Okay, from the price action, it's a pretty mixed price action, but I will favor seeing this price action. It might well be an inverted hammer. That's very normal sometimes. Again, sellers are in control. I would classify this: sellers are in control. Reading of the price action, my bias is this. That's my first bias. How to approach this is very simple. Let the price breaks this, then you're just looking for a low high formation. That's it. So if the daily candle closes, all I'm looking for a low high formation on H4 maybe to take advantage. So please focus with me again. I'm explaining, and I'll understand this because I'm going to condense this idea into daily and H4. I'm not making a new idea. That's what the trading plan is. Everybody understands, right? Please confirm, guys. Yes?
Yeah.
Now, the second possibility is price can go higher, of course, from here. You have wicks, support level. What if the price goes higher? If the price goes higher, then this is my, that's what I'm looking for. This is the target because that's where your market structure is. Everybody understands. Guys, do not look for any trading opportunity within this. Learn this. It's very easy to trade if you have the patience, know exactly what you're after. It's a very difficult pair to trade if you don't have the patience and you don't know what you're after. So it's very interesting. So that's my sell trading plan. That's my buy trading plan. I'm giving more favored to the sells for this weekly target. The reason is because of the market structure and reading the weekly candlesticks also, I would favor without any bias that it is bearish in nature. Everybody understand this analysis so far and completely understand as to how to approach this pair. This is what you have to understand, how to approach the pair. You know how to handle a difficult situation with full confidence. You know exactly, you have the clarity in your head, and that's what matters. Please confirm you guys understand so far. Yes?
Yes.
There you are. That's the problem. That is the reason price rejected. Again, I didn't see it previously. I was expecting this actually. I was expecting this. Never gives me opportunity last week. A low high formation to take a trade. Again, guys, whoever take this trade on the top was absolutely right technically. Knowing you're taking a counter trend trade, please. Counter trend trade. That's what I expect. Low high formation. This is not your proper low high yet until high low has been established. So this will remain. Price rejected. Price came all the way. I was expecting the price would hold there and price will go up. That's what my expectation was. Now let's condense that idea again. What's your idea? So wait, let the price breaks this. What's your idea? Please confirm you guys understand this.
What if price retraces back to the high? It's a no trade.
If the price, yes, once the price breaks this, guys, once the price breaks this, price even retraces back. It's perfectly fine. I'm giving you an idea first. I'll explain you the levels in a second. Everybody understand this idea, right? Please confirm, guys. Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
So this is your trading plan. This will be anticipational. Let's confirm. I'll give you, so everybody understands, right? Now, guys, once the price breaks this, everybody understand this, right? Please confirm. Yes, what I did, guys. If the price, so once the price breaks, I say it again. If the price breaks this, then you're looking for selling opportunities. There, it's an extremely easy setup to trade, knowing if you know what you're doing. A difficult setup to analyze also. Nobody can predict the market. You can analyze the market by the highest probability, reading the price action market structure. So that's my trading plan will be. This will be an anticipational area because remember, price breaks this coming back and go higher as well. Again, so please confirm everybody understand this analysis. The first opportunity, yes? Extremely easy.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
price breaks this, come back, look for selling opportunities. That is the bearish trading plan. I will consider it, start considering it. Start looking for a low high after the break. Before the break, I'm not interested. Forget it. Second is this. This is my second trading plan. Price has already breached this, right, guys? Okay, based on the daily price action, unless the price breaks this, first trading plan, I will be trying this. If the price breaks this, then yes, that's been activated. That's how I'm approaching. I'll tell you the reason for it. The reason is this, simple reason. Price breaks this. So if I apply Fibonacci's on it, there we are, the price did retracement. As long price remains above this level, I am looking for buying opportunities there, or the even better buying opportunity is, please confirm you guys understand this. It's very simple. So when the week will commence, I am interested and looking for bullish move because it's in my bullish trading plan. If it makes sense, when will I start looking for selling opportunities? Only, listen to this, only after the price breaks. That's the first thing. Secondly, guys, your target will be this. Even you take a buy trade on it. So let me explain it to you. The first target will be this. Price has to clear this first, otherwise price will reject again. Again, even the price rejects this, price can form a higher low, carries on. So this is the trading plan. We are already in it, so I'm looking for this. That's the reason I was looking for this. For me to start looking for this, price has to break this. Please confirm you guys understand this. Everyone completely understand this analysis. Yes, are you looking for if the price presents any bullish buying opportunities? The reason I've had this trend line is it's a confluence. So the reality is, if the price is above this, breaks the trend line and on this demand level, two confluences, then you have this trend line, add on reasons, hopefully we'll see this move. But in case the price remains here and breaks this, the moment it breaches, this has been activated. Please confirm everybody understands, right? Please confirm, guys.
Yeah.
It's a difficult pair to analyze. It's extremely easy if you know what you're after. So I'm looking for, first of all, buying opportunities based off the weekly. Of course, if weekly is extremely bearish, but within that weekly, you always have retracements. Seeing this price action, I am interested in firstly this. The best approach is that the best approach will be this. Follow me on this. Look for buying opportunities there. Second is, if the price breaks this, selling opportunities. These are your first selling opportunities. If the price breaks this, I won't be expecting the price to, again, price can go even there for selling opportunity. But imagine if the price goes there, it means you have extremely bullish price action on the weekly. You'll be expecting the price to go higher. We'll review that later. That's too much into future. So this and this are your two areas to sell. Please confirm everybody understand this analysis, yes? So of course you can trade this pair. Looks pretty good to me. US 30, a quick glance on US 30. I'll be quick in my analysis now. This is where we are. On the weekly, we are bullish on this. We have been bullish on this. Now, seeing this rejections, 1, 2, 3, 4, moving average wicks formations, I am anticipating a retracement. I'm anticipating a retracement on this. So I'm expecting this retracement. That's my anticipation is retracement. I'm not interested in buying at these levels, only be interested in buying around these levels. But again, I am expecting a retracement to these levels. That's your first target. If the price retraces here, this is 200 pips on that. So you can easily make more than 200 pips if that is the move. That's my trading plan. Will be counter trend trading plan. Remember, the reason is we are in a bullish price action now. The first target is this, and we successfully traded this last week when I said take a sell trade on it. So my first trading plan will be this next week. This is the target. I'll see how the price observe. If it's extended, that's maximum. That's my maximum for the counter trend trade. So guys, this is my analysis. Let me explain it to you. Please have the clarity, the kind of so I'm trading, focusing on the counter trend trade first. This or this. And then, yes, the trade with the trend is to buy. So you can, of course, take a trade, a buy trade. That is the trade with the trend. Wait for a low formation to form. So your buying opportunities are presented there. Ideally, the best opportunities there. It adds more confluences. Please confirm everybody understand this analysis. Yes?
Right.
Everybody understands, right? That I've been selling it last week. So I sold it last week, as I explained. So I sold it there. So here, what was my H4 trading plan? Let me explain it to you. That's a trading plan. Remember, this is my anticipational area. That's anticipational. That's confirmed, right? Guys, I took a trade in anticipational, seeing the price action is bearish. So I was satisfied with it. Then I move on to another breakdown. Again, that's my anticipational. Have the clarity what your anticipational areas are. So you had an opportunity there, and you had an aggressive opportunity there as well again, guys. Of course, not based off H4, but this was a clear trading plan. You could have taken advantage on this. Anticipational, that's confirmed. So price is anticipational, that's confirmed. So right now, my expectation will be hopefully this. We'll see how this plays out. So my trading plan is anticipational, that's confirmed. Go back to H4. That's what my trading plan is. And I will be looking to see if the price gets a selling opportunities. Price breaks this, that's a confirm. Quickly, US30, I explained already. I'm not going to go into detail on this. You already have it. Based on this weekly, I'm expecting hopefully the price retraces to this. That's what my anticipation is. So trade with the trend is a sell trade. I would suggest take a sell trade. If you're not being profitable, if you haven't had a streak of profits, even on demo, stimulator, whatever, trade with the trend first. Focus on the main moves first. Counter trend moves are difficult to trade. The first possibility is price will rise, goes further higher. It's even better. So that this is something is possible without any retracement. I'm just looking for a sell trades on it. That's the first thing. That's what we're trading. If the price retraces, gives me a bullish price action, a higher low formation, I will be looking for this counter trend trade to these levels. And then same, looking for sell trades. Again, confluence is beautiful here. As you can see, 61.8 exactly falls with one of the daily demand levels. So beautiful pair, guys. Again, if I don't see, the first question is the price on the daily level? So let's say the price comes in. Yes, it is. It's kind of price action. You can't take a sell trade there. For take a sell trade, guys, price has to break this, look for a low high, then take a sell trade. So if the price breaks this, again, I gave you the rules, daily candlestick, close, then I'm only looking for selling opportunities on this. If the price holds here, then looking for buying opportunity. Only, and what if the price opens up and carries on? I'm not jumping there. We let the price goes there. Wherever it forms a low high, which is the most easiest thing, wherever it forms a low high, look for selling opportunities. Right? Why says if you're a new trader, unless really price into this and gives you a good high low formation, something like this. So here, this is good. These are good candlesticks. So if it gives you the price action of that nature, take advantage of this counter trend trade. Everybody understands? Please confirm yes. Quickly confirm, guys. I need to move forward. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's move on to yen. Monthly is hugely bearish, guys. Again, this is where the price is. My target is, I'm expecting the price to complete this on the month. See this. Overall, when the dollar will go bearish, you will see this move. Wait for the dollar to turn really bearish. It's just so knowing monthly chart, when this month closed, you know what's the next month likely to be. When this month closed, you know what the next month likely to be. When this month closed, you know what the next month likely to be. When this wick candlestick closed, you're expecting a bit of retracement, see how it forms. This wick, the previous month, you would know this month, 4 weeks, kind of 4 weeks you'd be expecting. Very helpful to give you insight into the weekly charts. Now here we are sitting on this. I am this is what I'm looking for. So Fibonacci is on this clearly 61.8. That's a target market level. That's one thing. There's a wick. There was a wick, so I can see the lost in momentum. I would never be interested in selling there. Based on the weekly, my trading plan is price holds around these areas. I'm expecting a kind of pullback before the price goes down. Again, guys, if you're a trader, not been profitable previously, trade with the trend, wait for the selling opportunities, and take advantage on this. Let's break this down further onto the daily charts. There we are, guys. There we are. So daily gives the opportunity. Why not? Ideally, I would like to see some sort of, I'm interested in this. It will be interesting. Or worst case scenario, this, I'm not too optimistic about this third, so I might just skip this. It's just too low. I don't like it. Simple. So yes, based on the weekly candlestick and the daily formation, I am expecting some sort of retracement. I had taken a buy trade on this. I had taken a buy trade on this last week, and I'll explain it to you where, how. I did said look for buying opportunities, guys. That's where I took a trade. So my trading plan was this on H4. Anticipational, that's what my target was. And I had taken buy trades on this. I've taken buy trade on this candlestick. I took a buy trade on this candle. I had to close the trade. When the price came here, I took a buy trade on this candlestick. That was last Friday, if you remember. Anticipational. This was in my anticipational, that was confirmed. This candlestick, I took a small loss and I had to get out of the trade. 15 pips or 11 pips. You will see when I show you M30. When you're M30, you don't think about another time. And that's the beauty of it. I need to be technically right, satisfied before I move forward. Otherwise, you're not going to move forward, guys. That was my trading. Within this, I was able to capitalize 20, 25 pips here. I don't know whether I had a loss there, but this was easy, 20 pips. This was a good move of nearly 43 pips. Again, for reasons I've stated. Again, let's break it down, take it off. Right now, well, I have the same trading plan on this, and I'm hoping the price will retrace higher. So the moment market opens, EG, I'm looking for buying opportunities. Nasdaq looking for selling opportunities. Thank you to Danny. US 30, of course, looking for buying opportunities. If the price retraces, otherwise we're selling, waiting for the sell opportunity. US 30, selling opportunity. USD CAD, selling opportunity, of course. Gold, I will be hoping for a bullish move first. It's in the bullish trading plan. I need to wait for the price action to get ready on it as well. Very quickly, US 30.
Can you go over GA?
Very quickly, yeah, sure. Very quickly, US 30. USD yen. Again, the price is there. As we said, how the price will retrace. Bricks rejection, I am anticipating, it's a low formation, anticipating some sort of retracement on this before the price goes down. So my anticipation is first move, buying move. Again, if you're not a successful trader, don't trade aggressive trades. Look for the selling opportunities on this. If I open this chart, you had last week buying opportunities. The trend line confluence is there. It looks pretty good. So I will be interesting to trade this. I say this is a slow moving pair. Look for selling opportunities on this only, unless the price, gives you the price. Otherwise, guys, if you get a clear opportunity there, why not? Go for it. Let me show you the buying opportunity there. Absolutely clear. Buying opportunity there. So 61.8 Fibonacci's. Again, my trading plan will be what? Let me show you the trading plan. Anticipational. That's confirmed. It gives you the candle in the confirm, and had you been using your trend lines, you would have more confluence. So it looks pretty good. Great trading opportunity there. After this, I will do another breakdown. So another breakdown. Unless I'm satisfied on this, I'm going to do another breakdown. Simple. This was a trade for 55 pips. This would have also been your trading opportunity previously. You can see kind of another low. This is my anticipation. I'll expand it to this wick because it's close by. That's my anticipation. That's confirmed. Could have taken an easy. This is after the daily, guys. Easy trading opportunities there. This is like a cake. That's 50 pips. So yes, I'm still anticipating based on, again, guys, I don't judge from the daily H4, and I won't carry out my analysis. I'll go back to daily at least. Look at the daily. Yes, looks fine. I'm expecting some kind of retracement first. If it holds, yes, that's what my anticipation is. Then I go to the H4. I've never stay on H4 by myself. Daily H4, daily H4, daily H4. That's how it goes. Okay, GBP AUD, right?
Yes, right.
Had this inside bar, so you would be, your analysis would be, as long as I'll be looking for selling opportunities on this, some sort of retracement. I am expecting on all GBP pairs a meltdown. The reason is, you'll see not just technically they're getting ready, fundamentally you have an event coming up. Again, interesting candle close. My apologies, guys. Here, weekly. With these candle close in mind, I'm not interested to buy this. I'd rather look for selling opportunities on this. Selling opportunities to this, or the price is in the middle right now, so I'd rather wait for it. Again, price goes to this level, you can always look for, this is the first, that's my preference is to sell. If this is an exotic pair, I don't really like to take this. If the price is sitting there, then this is my trading plan again. So again, guys, you can take advantage of this counter trend trade as well. Seeing the price action, it's extremely bearish price action, last week shooting star formation. This is what I'll be hoping for. I'm looking for selling opportunities on this. Let's have a look and break down the daily chart. Now here, this is your daily trading plan first. How did I make this trading plan? Let me explain it to you guys. What is this? Kind of low high? Yes? Does it looks like low? So it's valid. If the price breaks this, it's not a low high, still a selling trading plan, but I'd have to devise a new trading plan. So that's my target expectation is you can expect the price. So for now, I'll be expecting the price to retrace, go to the downside. Let's break it down on page 4. I'm not interested there. Okay. Yes. The first trading plan on H4 can be this. You, of course, not close to the daily level. I'm not interested. So at least my basis to this. That's my H4. Or that's my next H4 trading plan, which aligns on the daily. Remember, H4 also falls on daily, like daily falls on the H4. So if the higher above, then two trading plans, one of them should work. If the price breaks this, it's still a trading plan for you. This is your anticipation area, guys. New variation forms, bullish. The moment you're in anticipation, you will be struck out of the trade well in advance on M30. Again, is your trading plan invalidated? It's not. It's still fine. It's just anticipation area, guys. Please confirm you guys understand this. So on this pair, my recommendation is this. And if I was to trade this pair, I would have been trading. I'm not in the midst of. This is my trading plan. You can divide this on page 4. Look for selling opportunities on this. Please confirm, guys. Everybody understand this, right?
Yes.
Then again, you got, it was the most easiest trade there. Is use the trend lines, really helps you, which adds value to your analysis. Look, this, but yes, a lot of people use the trend lines. It's a confluence. It has to support your analysis. Here, if your analysis was to buy, then I will add a trend line. Otherwise, guys, if I add a trend line, It's acting as resistance. My price action analysis is to buy or take it off. It will confuse you. I'm telling you guys to take it off because it will definitely confuse you. If price breaks this, it adds value to your analysis. Now, right now, do we have a trend line in place? Let's have a look. We do have. It's a mini trend line, but it's on the daily, so it's fine. So yeah, this will add confidence to you. So yes, I am expecting this actually. You can expect the price to come over this. Please confirm everybody understand this completely. Completely understand, yes?
Yes.
US 30, I've gone through USD yen, I've gone through US CAD, I've gone through DXY. The dollar index is sitting on the resistance. Hugely bullish candlestick. Now, will candlestick take preference or the market structure? What do you guys think?
Market structure.
Good. So where are the prices right now?
Resistance. High.
Yeah, high. I'm not interested in, my bias will be this. Price can retrace and then this. Yes, price has to break this. The moment it breaches, my bias is changed. I am more bearish on all dollar crosses, not even looking for retracement. Until this, I will wait for this to form a bearish price action. If it does, then I'm expecting retracements. You catch a retracement trade, guys. You can see in the beginning, price might moves there first, then goes down. That's also a possibility. My trading, it's extremely bullish. Monday, I don't expect any bearish price action on it. You never know, but again, guys, this is the area, and my analysis is pretty much. You can get good trading opportunities on USD crosses. Now, pick all USD pairs, see which ones are near support levels. That's it. That's all you need. GBP, guys, the reason is you might have GBP weaknesses due to the elections. I suggest Euro USD, New Zealand, pick. If this forms this price action, daily will give an indication in advance, a day in advance. Likelihood is, because you're breaking it down further. Similarly, likelihood is you're going down. So when this price was there, open any USD cross. It was the most easiest to trade. When the price was there, it was too easy for us to sell, to sell Euro USD last week. Why it was easy last week? Make sense? Yes? How easy was it? Now, it might well be that you might have buying opportunities on this. So take advantage on this. I hope you guys enjoy the analysis, enjoy the training. M30 training begins. I'll share the charts. There's no lectures on Monday and Tuesday. Lectures will be on Wednesday and Thursday this week. And then, of course, I'll let you guys know the times for the weekend. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you. Select your, guys, you might have a pool of 5 pairs. My advice is on the weekend, that pool shuts. You select your 2 trading setups, 2 pairs or 1 pair, and you shut that pool. You don't go back to that pool. The pool shuts for 5 or 6 pairs. You don't go back to the pool. You don't go back to the pool. I say it again, you don't go back to the pool. So you can concentrate on not just the trading opportunities, higher lows, low high formations on your trading setups, but you can also concentrate the development of price leading up to those higher lows and higher lows and low high formations. That's really matters. So please, you experience this. That's what you're not experiencing. And please, what I said earlier in the lecture, take it seriously. If you are correctless, the way you're approaching this, if you carry on approaching like this, then my apologies, you're wasting your time. I'd say it right now, stop learning. If you're serious about it and doing it properly, it's a matter of weeks. Thank you, guys. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, Akar. You too.